Hello student, welcome to another video tutorial from SHIVAJI group of institution. Today I am going to explain the human diseases caused by the virus. It means that today we have to discuss the viral diseases. First of all, in Greek word the virus means poison. Actually virus are a connective link between living and non-living thing. We cannot be considered virus as a living or it is a dead particle. Actually it is a connective link between living and dead. What is the characteristics of a virus to be dead and what is the characteristics of a virus to be living? Actually, when virus is outside the body, it is actually a dead particle, and whenever any host is present inside the atmosphere and virus infected, then it's so a living nature. So we can say that virus is a connective link between living and non-living thing. How viruses are infected to a person? Actually, what happened, I told in the previous lecture. I am told that as DNA is the genetic material. In this lecture, I told two experiments. First is known as Griffith experiment, and second one is known as Halsey and Chase experiment. By Halsey and Chase experiments, it was shown that how viruses are transferred its nucleic acid from one host to another host. Let us consider a cell, a eukaryotic cell, and inside the cell there is a nucleus is present. A virus is actually, first of all, sit at the surface of a cell, and actually the virus inject the nucleic acid inside the cell, and the protein code is always beside outside the cell. So virus are, as you know that virus are made up of nucleic acid and protein when virus infect any type of a cell or human body, it injected its nucleic acid inside the cell, and this nucleic acid goes to the nucleus and integrated to the DNA present inside the cell of any individual. The viral genome is integrated between these DNA, and the virus DNA controls the metabolism of the cell, and he divide the cell to make its progeny. That's why the cell is damaged and progeny is removed from the cell by a process called cell lysis. Okay, so this was how virus infect the individual. Today I am going to explain the viral diseases. First disease is known as influenza. It is also known as flu. It is caused by a orthomyxovirus. It is a type of RNA virus. Orthomyxovirus is a type of RNA virus. Actually, genetic material are also asked in the examination by the name of disease. For example, the influenza virus is a type of RNA virus or DNA virus. The answer is RNA type virus. And this influenza virus, flu virus, is actually secreted are neuraminidase enzymes. This neuraminidase enzymes actually is a type of enzymes which penetrate the epithelial of the nose of any individual. That's why infection takes place. This neuraminidase actually dissolve the cell wall of the cell, and inside the cell the bacteria entry take place. And influenza or flu is a type of droplet infection. It is a type of droplet infection. It means that it can be spread by droplet infection method. Incubation period of influenza is 1 to 3 days. Its incubation period of influenza is 1 to 3 days, and symptoms of influenza virus are high fever, headache, muscles pain, sneezing, and coughing. These are the symptoms of influenza virus. Entaminidase and amantadine is given. Amantadine is given in the case of influenza or flu virus. It is a type of antibiotic which is given in the case of influenza or flu virus. Now comes to the next disease. It is known as common cold. It is actually a common disease. It is caused by a rhinovirus. This one is important. The common cold disease is caused by a rhino. The term rhino actually indicate, rhino means smell. Okay, so infection of this disease we cannot having any type of a smell. So it is called rhinovirus, also known as coronavirus. Ramesh Gupta has already previously told about the coronavirus. Okay, so cold is also some type of a common cold is also caused by coronavirus. Infection period is 3 to 7 days. इसका जो infection period होता है वो 3 से 7 दिन तक रहता है और ड्रॉपलेट इन्फेक्शंस के थ्रू ये डिजीज जो है फैलती है। ड्रॉपलेट इन्फेक्शंस के थ्रू ये डिजीज फैलती है। आप सभी लोगों को पता है घर में अगर किसी एक को जुकाम हो जाए तो पूरे घर को होना स्वाभाविक होता है क्योंकि वहाँ पे ड्रॉपलेट इन्फेक्शन होता है। ठीक है, उसके बाद इसमें जो है देखिए आप एक चीज याद रखिएगा, वायरस के लिए कोई मेडिसिन नहीं होती। ठीक है, वायरस के लिए कोई मेडिसिन नहीं होती। हमारे शरीर के अंदर जो इम्यून सिस्टम होता है, जो इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स होता है, उससे एंटीबॉडी सीक्रेट होती है, वही वायरस को डैमेज करती है, खत्म कर देती है। तो इसलिए याद रखिएगा, यहाँ पर कभी-कभी कॉमन कोल्ड की वैसे तो कहते हैं कोई दवाई होती नहीं है, लेकिन कॉमन कोल्ड में एस्पिरिन वगैरह दे दी जाती है। ठीक है, इस बात को ध्यान रखिएगा। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट डिजीज, इट इज नोन एज डेंगू, also known as break-bone fever. It is important point. Dengue is also known as break-bone fever because it is a type of disease in which we have lot of infection take place, we have lot of pain take place inside the bone. So we can say this is also called break-bone fever. It is actually spread by a female Aedes aegypti mosquito. Actually spread by a female Aedes aegypti mosquito. This is also called tiger mosquito. And you look at a mosquito that having a black or white spot on the tail portion, abdomen portion of the mosquito. Such type of a virus is known as Aedes aegypti virus, also known as tiger mosquito. Incubation period is here. One thing is also important. It is a type of arbovirus. It is a type of arbovirus. What is arbovirus? Actually, arthropodal born virus is called arbovirus. यानी कि ऐसे वायरस जो आर्थ्रोपोडा के अंदर जन्म लेते हैं उनको हम आर्बोवायरस कहते हैं। डेंगू वायरस इज अ टाइप ऑफ आर्बोवायरस जो एक आर्थ्रोपोड एडिस एजिप्टी के अंदर उत्पन्न हुआ है। जो वायरस है उसका एक्चुअल नेम है फ्लेवी वायरस। जो वायरस डेंगू फीवर कॉज करता है उसका एक्चुअल नेम क्या है? फ्लेवी वायरस है। Its actual name is Flavi virus. Here the incubation period is 4 to 7 days. Paracetamol and acetaminophen is given in the case of dengue fever. Now comes to the another point, swine flu. It is also known as pig influenza. It is also called pig influenza and it is caused by SIV virus or SOIV virus. SIV means swine influenza virus and SOIV full form is swine originated influenza virus. Swine term is actually indicate for pig. Okay, swine influenza virus or swine originated influenza virus. Here type of swine flu is found. It is H1N1 type, H1N2 type, H3N1 type, H3N2 type and H2N3 type. These are the types of swine flu virus. It is also take place by airborne droplet infection method. Now comes to the next disease. It is called chikungunya. It is actually caused by Gpb virus, CHIV, Gpb virus. इसी से नाम ले लिया गया है इस वायरस का। It is also known as Gpb virus. It is made up of a single-stranded RNA. Single-stranded RNA and is spread by Aedes aegypti like that of dengue fever. Okay, student. So these are actually the viral diseases transferred from one organism to another organism.